I want to show you an accessory for your track tubes that makes storage, transport, and setup just a little bit easier. It's called the Tubekeeper. The Tubekeeper was originally designed to couple your track tubes together for easy transport and storage, but it also works great as a positioning stop when you're using your track tubes with sawhorses. The kit comes with 2 of the Tubekeepers and all the hardware, including these really nice aluminum anodized knurled knobs. Let me show you how they work. For storage and transport, it's beneficial to be able to couple your track tubes in one bundle. To do this, simply slide the hex bolts on the Tubekeeper into each of the tracks on your track tubes, slide the Tubekeeper a few inches down the track tube, and tighten the knobs. Now the tubes are connected tight and secure in one neat bundle that you can put away for storage or load into your vehicle. When you're setting up your track tubes workstation, the Tubekeeper can be used as a positioning stop. It's nice to have an equal amount of overhang from the sawhorse cradle on each side, and this can be difficult to eyeball. Another issue is with certain sawhorses that have a metal cradle like the Bora Speedhorse, the track tubes might have a tendency to slide. The Tubekeeper was designed with the Bora Speedhorse in mind to solve this problem. Simply slide the Tubekeeper on the bottom track of your track tube, move it in about 12 inches and tighten the knobs. Now lower your track tube so that the Tubekeeper rests in the cradle of the sawhorse. Now your track tube is locked in place and it will not slide. When using traditional sawhorses like the Stanley or the DeWalt or the Craftsman, they have plastic cradles, so lateral movement of the track tube is not really an issue. The Tubekeeper still has a useful purpose by allowing you to index the placement of your track tube the same every time. When you're ready to break down your track tubes workstation, simply lay your track tubes side by side and loosen the knobs on the Tubekeepers. Slide one end out and into the track of the other tube, move it down a few inches, tighten the knobs, and you're ready to go. Sometimes the simple accessories can make all the difference, and the Tubekeeper is one of those solutions. We really appreciate all of your support and interest in the Track Tubes project. Please visit our website and all of our other social media platforms, and stay tuned for more content in the Track Tubes video series. Thanks for watching.